Hi, my name is Mike and welcome to my channel about guitars and gear. Today's video is all about this beautiful Les Paul Deluxe, which was totally rebuilt, and here you can see how it looks before. It had a matte finish, so first it was to polish the top of the body and the headstock. The flame top pops out so much more now. I replaced the electronics with new 500K TTS pots, paper and oil capacitors, 50 style wiring, and used some vintage wires. I got a Lightwight aluminium tailpiece and a bridge with unplated brass saddles from Faber. And I also replaced the bushings and the studs of the bridge and used one-piece inserts also from Faber. I also changed the tuners, which are now Kluson Vintage tuners with pressed-in bushings. I aged the nickel hardware with some acid, which worked very well. The mini humbuckers were replaced with some P90s from a German guy called David Barfuß. On the bridge we've got the traditional P90 soper, and on the neck we had a staple pickup, how it was used on the first very early Les Paul customs. On this pickup the pole pieces are magnets, so it has a unique sound, a little tranky and more like a Strat, I would say. But enough talking, let's plug it in and hear some sounds. So, what do you think? I would love to read some comments about it. Feel free to like the video if you liked it, and of course subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!